Hi guys, this is a simple setup for Minecraft Manhunt, and essentially the first thing you're going to do is enable cheats so all the commands in this video actually work. And then the next thing you're going to do is give yourself a command block, so just like this, maybe not exactly like this. And then the first command you're going to make is the command that makes the compass point to the speedrunner. So right now the compass is pointing to the original world spawn, which is right down there, but we're going to make it so that the compass always points to the speedrunner. So you place a command block, you're going to make it repeat, you're going to make it always active, and then this is the command, execute, and then the name of your speedrunner. So in this case it's Rhythmic Abyss 92, put in some tildes, set world spawn, and that's your command. And as you can see, it is constantly setting the world spawn to Rhythmic Abyss. And also, you can also probably see that the chat is being spammed. So what we're gonna do to fix that is /game rule command block output false. And now the spam has stopped. Okay, and the next thing you're gonna do is create a ticking area above when you're standing on this command block. And essentially what this does is it makes it so that this command works anywhere in the world. So just like so, /ticking area add circle tildes 4. And now ticking area is created and it'll work anywhere. So the next thing you're going to want to do is set a spawn point which is independent from the world spawn, and this will make sure that the hunters don't spawn right next to the speedrunner when they die. So here's the command for that. So /spawn point, and you can do this wherever you want to make the hunter spawn. So it can be the original world spawn or just anywhere else you want. So, and you have to stand in the place you want the hunters to spawn in. So /spawn point, yeah, that's it. And then now the hunters will spawn here unless they make a bed. And that leads into the last part, which is a command block that will give the hunters a compass. So give compass. So then you can just get a button, and so this will just give anyone who presses this a compass, of course. And the thing about this is it will only work, obviously, if you're here. So if the hunters make a bed, and they'll respawn somewhere different, so you're going to have to manually give them a compass. So as in /give and then hunter name, compass, like that. So that's kind of annoying, but I couldn't find a way to get around that. So anyways, that's it. It's pretty simple, and as you can see, the compasses point to the speedrunner. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.
Just kidding. You gotta remember to like, comment, and subscribe.